So today I'm going to show you how I clean my dishwasher. To start with, I take any all-purpose cleaner and give it a quick spray down on the outside. The next thing you want to do is spray in here and wipe in there because it gets very grimy. Do all around the seals and then we're going to empty inside. Take out the cutlery drawer because you can get little bits of food in there. You also want to take out this filter and this. We'll pop that in warm soapy water. Now these bits are sparkling clean. I'm going to put them back. This here is where the dishwasher tablets usually go, but today when I'm cleaning the dishwasher I will put citric acid in there. I'm also going to pour a little bit more citric acid in here. A tip I learnt from Sister Pledge is put some eucalyptus essential oils in here. So this is naturally antibacterial and will leave the dishwasher smelling lovely. I'll close that up. Now we want to put the dishwasher on its hottest setting. So that's finished now. That smells lovely.